Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to our Endless Night with G. This is the Listen and Repeat Exercise or shadowing. You just have to repeat after me, okay? Are you ready? You don't have a choice. Let's get started! Yay! Let's get started. Welcome back to our channel Endless Night with G. This is Listen or Repeat Exercise or shadowing exercise. So you just have to repeat after me. You just have to repeat those words or sentences that I will read. Okay? Alright, so let's try this first word. Did you pronounce it like carbon dioxide? Repeat after me now. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Too much carbon dioxide in the air is bad for us. Too much carbon dioxide in the air is bad for us. Too much carbon dioxide in the air is bad for us. Alright, let's have this next word. Try to read this word now. Did you pronounce it like oxygen? You have to repeat with me now. Oxygen. 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 We use oxygen in the air to live. We use oxygen in the air to live. We use oxygen in the air to live. Alright. Let's have the next word now. Did you pronounce it like protect? Repeat after me. Protect. 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 Trees protect us from the rain and the light from the sun. Trees protect us from the rain and the light from the sun. Trees protect us from the rain and the light from the sun. Alright, let's have this next word now. Did you pronounce it like roots? Easy peasy. Roots. 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 The roots make the ground strong. The roots make the ground strong. The roots make the ground strong. Last one. Okay. Easy peasy, right? Breeze. 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 Breeze are good for us. Trees are good for us. Trees are good for us. Alright, so we're done with our listen and repeat exercise or shadowing exercise. If you find this video interesting, fun, and helpful to you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so we're done. I'll see you in our next video. Bye bye for now. Bye.